Hello, my name is Marixandrea Villarraga. I study English level A1. My personal information: I am from Girardot. I am 28 years old. I am psychologist and I work at UNAT at Girardot. My family: my father is Hector. He is a farmer. He is 72 years old. My mother is Aide. She is 56 years old. My sister is Lady. She is a teacher in Bogota. She is 23 years old. My grandson is Santiago. He is 14 years old. The family pet: we have a cat. It is Cathy. It is black with yellow edges. My likes: Festival San Pedrino Melgar, Ricarena concert, visit the Gold Museum, family outing. My hobby: I love dance, listen to music, sing, read, study, and have. In weight in Villavicencio at the Soc o Carros. In 2017, I weighed in Bucaramanga at the Chicamochan Canyon. In January, I weighed in Medellin at the Hacienda Nápoles with my sister Lady. In September, I weighed in Montenegro Quindío at the National Coffee Park. I hope in weight working in Hospital of San Juan of Rio Seco. In 2030, I weight working in Pasca with an ACBF program. In 2014, I worked in Goldwater Sanatorium. In 2016, I worked in Municipal Health of Icononso. In 2017, I worked in Carmen of Apicalá at ACBF program with children of 0 at White. Now I work in UNAT Seat Girardot. I am a teacher of psychology. Thank you. Goodbye.